Hey guys, welcome to Foodie Chronicles. In today's video, we'll be making white rice and stew. So first of all, let's boil the rice. And this is the rice in the fire. I already put it, so I have to wait for it to boil before I wash it for a second time. So this is the pot on the fire. I put in salt. Then after washing, I put the rice inside the fire. Then voila, it's done. So next thing, let's make the stew. Put in the ground oil in the pot. Then allowing the ground oil to get hot, then putting the onions. Now we are making stew. To put the onions, then you put your grinded tomatoes and pepper, and you're making stew. That's it. So you stir it, turn it. What do you guys call it? Then you close it for it to boil. Then you put your meat, put your cooked meat. Then you put your mangi, then put your salt, then you stir it again for the mangi and the salt to mix together. Voila, white rice and stew is ready. Come and eat. So delicious, so yummy, so demure, so mindful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe.